and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about my top 5 favorite perfumes, and I have rated them from 5 being good to 1 being the best, and I'm going to rate them according to their overall fragrance, how long lasting they are, and generally the scent notes that they are made of. Now, disclaimer, since most of them have more than a few scent notes in them, I am not going to mention all of them. I will mention only the ones that really grab your attention when you first spray them. With that being said, yeah, let's get into the video. So at number 5, we have Juicy Couture's Viva La Juicy Noir EDP. Let's talk about the bottle first. It's a decent sized bottle, square in shape. This is their embellishment in the front. It's a pretty pink, almost a fuchsia color. They also have their signature gorgeous diamond top cap, along with this beautiful satin black bow. So this is a 100 ml bottle I have here with a spray dispenser here. So very girly looking bottle, I guess, in general. About the fragrance, when you first use it, you're gonna notice the sandalwood and berry notes right away. And after a while, you're gonna start noticing the other scent notes too, such as the jasmine and the amber scent notes. A fun fact here is that any fragrances that has blackcurrant or gourmand accent scent notes tend to be very sweet. So this is a very sweet, very fruity type of fragrance. The projection time for this, it is about 6 to 8 hours, so it is averagely long lasting. So why for me it was on number 5 and not later on in the list was because it has this kind of like a powdery scent, a powdery feel to it, which I personally don't like, and that kind of made it come down to number 5. It's good if you don't mind the powdery scent, the powdery feel of a certain perfume, a certain fragrance, then this might be the one for you. It's just I don't prefer that, so it's not the best for me. Let me know if you prefer powderness or not. So let's get on with the second scent. So at number 4, I have the Jimmy Choo's EDP, and let's just talk about the bottle. It is a very unique design for a perfume bottle, and oddly reminds me of a hand grenade. I don't know. I guess that let me know if it's just me or if you think this reminds you of a hand grenade too. Anyways, so this is a 60 ml bottle. This is a 60 ml perfume bottle, and it is a spray dispenser type, and it has this kind of like a gold, almost like a bronze color to it. Let's get into the fragrance. The fragrance is a clean floral type. It is very, very light, so it's perfect for daily use if you don't prefer like a strong scent, and also perfect for people like me who can't stand strong scents. So it's very, very sweet, and it contains sweet Italian orange, tiger orchid, and Indonesian patchouli. Therefore, it has a very woody, earthy feel to it, a very woody, earthy scent, and so it kind of just adds into the floral fragrance of the perfume. Anyways, this is one of the lowest projection time I have in this list. This is about 5 to 6 hours. You can try to extend it by putting it both on your clothes and your body. Anyways, let's head to the third one. Number 3, I have another Juicy Couture perfume. This is their Viva La Juicy Gold Couture EDP. It looks quite similar to the other Juicy Couture bottle. Exactly the same in size, shape. Overall, the appearance is quite similar. Again, a decent sized bottle, and it is golden color, obvious. And other than that, the only difference here is either in the bows or their embellishment. Again, their signature gorgeous diamond top cap. And this is again a 100 ml bottle with a spray dispenser. So pretty similar. Now, in terms of the fragrance, when you spray this, again, you will immediately notice the berry scents here. This has wild berry notes in it, followed by the scent of sweet jasmine, and the perfume later on dries to a smell of sandalwood and amber. So projection time for this is about 8 to 10 hours. Personally, I felt that most of the Juicy Couture perfumes are not long lasting. They're not as long lasting. They're just like about an average projection. Although it can somewhat extend the projection time by applying the perfume to both your garments and to your body. Anyways, yeah, let's get on to number 2. So at number 2, I have the Thierry Mugler Alien EDP perfume. So anyone who is into perfumes or into perfume industries should know that Thierry Mugler is a very famous and well-known perfume brand, and this was one of their most hyped perfumes. So looking at the bottle, you can see the bottle is very elegant looking. It is a spray bottle which holds about a 90 ml of perfume. The bottle itself is very unique in design and would almost be a statement piece on anybody's dresser. Anyways, going into the fragrance, the scent is composed of ambergris, cashmere wood, and jasmine. And the overall fragrance is very woody, very spicy, a oriental fragrance. And it is insanely long lasting. This is about 12 hours of projection time, and extended to a little over 12 hours by putting it both to your garments and your body. Now let's get into my most favorite bottle. So at number 1, I have my most favorite perfume, and this is Lancome's. This was launched in 2019, so it's fairly a recent buy for me. And you can immediately see it's such a unique shape bottle. Its name is equally unique, and I am not sure if I'm going to pronounce it correctly, but this is Lancome's La Nuit Tresor Liu EDP. So this is a 100 ml bottle with a general spray dispenser, and immediately, as I said, you can see it's very, very uniquely shaped, very unique design. It's super pretty, very eye-catching, and it's a very girly bottle in general. One problem that I had with this design bottle was that it tends to roll around on certain surfaces, so you gotta take care of that. Anyways, let's get into the scent. Overall, it's a very elegant, very sweet, woody, spicy type of scent. It's very feminine, very seductive scent, and it is insanely long lasting. This is about it's more than 12 hours of projection time. Currently I haven't found anything that beats this to number one, my most favorite one. So this is my most favorite one up till now. So that was it for my top 5 favorite perfumes of all time. I'm going to link all of these down in the description box if you like them or if you want to get them. Anyways, let me know if you've used any of these perfumes or if you've checked them out in the store, or if you have any other favorite perfume or suggestion for a new video. And I'll make sure I can get it happening. Anyways, thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!